Hello, welcome to today's session. Today, basically, I will be talking about patience and civil service. Given the reason that I found that most students lack patience. Now, basically, when I say patience, most of you understand that patience is nothing but your means to wait. No, patience is more than waiting. Patience is all about understanding. Patience is giving your time to understand. That is what I call as patience. But civil service aspirants show impatience. Impatience like number one, avoid NCRT. Why do we avoid NCRT? Because number one, we think that NCRTs are very easy and there is nothing to get from the NCRT. We forget that until and unless the base is strong, we cannot understand complex phenomena. And to strengthen your base, it is your NCRT. Then only you can have a basic understanding, and that basic understanding helps you to answer any question. The problem is that in the examination, sometimes we never understand the question because our base is not clear. NCRT is nothing but strengthening your base. And if you have no base, you have no guide. You cannot be proper in the exam. Remember this, number one. Number two, basically, most of them avoid NCRT and move on to the higher end books just to show off. Just to show off. For example, one would start studying Savindra Singh without studying the NCRT. See, Savindra Singh is a very good book, no doubt. But if you have avoided NCRT and started directly from Savindra Singh, you are going to get a zero because you do not have a conceptual clarity. This is one thing. Next thing is that we have jumpers. What do I mean by jumpers? See, when we write CAT, it means cat. It consists of C, it consists of A, and it consists of T. So basically, even prior to understanding what is CAT, we first understand what is A, B, C, D, respectively. But sometimes people do not know the A, B, C, D and directly jump into the CAT. Now, basically, these are those students who skip the syllabus. In the syllabus, you have to start from 1 and go to 10. You cannot jump to 5, then I would jump to 7, then I would jump to 9. See, as a result of this, what happens is that you do not have a synchronization. You do not have a strong base. Hence, even the things you can see, one thing happens is that within the syllabus B of any optional, they're all interlinked. Everything there is an interlink, even a minor interlink is necessary. Now remember that when you are going from 1 and directly understanding 5, remember that 2, 3, 4 has certain interlink with the 5 and you have completely avoided that. So basically what I want to say is that start from 1, start from scratch, link everything has a link, and this is the link that you established in the exam paper that actually gives you the mark, and that makes your answer or the mains written or the answer that you have written in the mains exceptional. This is number one. See, basically what happens is that people, those who take up syllabus randomly, they develop a lack, they do not have a conceptual clarity. Next, most of the time is wasted, and last but not least, they go into depression because now or then they fail to understand, they fail to clear the prelims. Now basically what they do is that they do not understand why they have failed to clear the prelims. According to them, they have this solid knowledge, but as you can see, this knowledge is nothing but jumbled up, and this jumbled up knowledge has no usage, and hence when they fail in prelims, they will directly blame the examiner. They will find someone else to blame. At end of the day, they enter into depression, and at the end of the day, they start harassing others. What I want you to do is that have patience, build your base, build whatever you are building it, build it up properly. At least you can see it, at least others can see it, that this person has a conceptual clarity. Avoid avoid this puzzle, avoid multiple sources. Be specific with your questions and answers, be specific with your sources. Remember that always go from simple too hard. Never think that if we go for the hard, simple is nothing. No, it's a very wrong thing. Sometimes with the simple itself you can understand the hard. It would take no time, it would take no energy of yours. See, last but not the least, build slowly but build properly. This is what I would suggest you. Stop jumping, stop skipping the syllabus, have patience, to read the NCRT, have patience to read line by line. And when you do not understand, please use the Google for it. Understand it, then move to the second. Understand it again and then move to the next. Understand, move. Understand, move. This is the main theme. See, with development of your understanding is nothing but your base is very, very strong, over which you build up your pillars, over which you build up your house. Last but not the least, I hope that after this video, most of you would actually have some sense, actually develop such sense of patience. Last but not the least, thank you.